We are looking at how to pronounce this name as well as how to say more interesting, related and often mispronounced names and words from German as well. So make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. So how do you say it? Well, there are slightly different ways of pronouncing it. For reference, in German, this is said as Führer, Führer, with this specific U sound that has, it's a U with an umlaut on it. Führer. Okay. Now in English, in British English, this is normally said as Führer, Führer. In American English, however, it is usually pronounced as Führer, Führer. In American English, Führer versus Führer. In British English, all of this from German, Führer. And now you know it all. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Thank you for your support. More videos on how to pronounce more interesting names whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.